What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about the volatility of the stock market. Now, of course, this is going to be based on my current portfolio, and therefore everybody won't have the exact same experience, but I do want to show you just how volatile the stock market is and what I've experienced in regards to the stock market in the last couple of days. All right. But hey, if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so right now on the screen, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my current portfolio. Once I get all this stuff off the screen, I had to record this video a little different than I normally do, so forgive me as I do some house cleaning here. Okay, so now I'm completely sharing my screen with you guys. Currently, you can see my portfolio is valued at $286,000. This is live right now. At the making of this video, it is January the 6th, so I want to show you guys that. And so as you guys can see here, my portfolio is valued at $286,000. The stock market is insanely volatile. And of course, for me, my experience is mostly based on what goes on with Tesla and Apple, because those are the biggest holdings in my portfolio currently. All right, so I want to show you guys, this is live. You see here, my portfolio was valued at $283,000 at 9:05 this morning. Okay, so currently at the making of the video, it's 12:24 p.m. And so at 9:05, my portfolio was at $283,000. Well, literally a couple of days ago, my portfolio was valued at on January the 3rd. My portfolio was valued at $303,000. Okay, so we're talking about $283,000 to $303,000. That is a $20,000 difference in just 3 days. Now, of course, I did say that Tesla and Apple are to blame for that, which it went up a lot because of Tesla and Apple. Okay, so Tesla was trading a little bit over $1,200. Right now, Tesla is trading for $1,062. Let me go ahead and open that and show you guys what I'm talking about real quickly here. So as you can see, if I click on the 1 week chart, you guys can see Tesla was up here trading for, it really went over, it doesn't show you guys, but this particular day, it went over $1,200, like $1,205 at some point on this particular day. So you see Tesla was trading here on the 3rd of January for $1,199, and right now it's trading for $1,062. Okay, so you can see over here as well, you know, it was trading for $1,058. So because of Tesla, my position, you know, I'm currently, Tesla is 25% of my portfolio, and Apple is about 30 something percent. Let me show you guys Apple. So Apple, same thing with Apple. Apple was trading like $10 more than it is right now. So I'll show you guys with Apple. If I click on the 1 week, you can see here Apple was trading up at 182, and now it's trading for 172. Okay, so currently Apple is 37% of my portfolio, and Tesla is 25% of my portfolio. Now, so once again, of course, the fact that the stock market is all over the place for me has a lot to do with the stocks that I'm currently invested. And so Apple and Tesla, man, I mean, especially Tesla really drives my portfolio because it's Tesla. So you guys can see here, if I show you guys the last month or the last 3 months, kind of show you my journey the last 3 months. Of course, the last 3 months, I'm up $43,000. That's always a very good thing. I cannot complain. But as you can see, you know, I'm at 239 October the 4th. Okay. And then a month later, I'm at 285. Okay. 239 to 285 in 1 month. That's a lot. That's a big difference. For the year, I'm currently up 59,000. Of course, I was up at one point for the year. I was up 68,000, right? The stock market is very volatile depending on the stocks in which you're invested. Now, if you're invested more into dividend paying stocks, you may have a different type of experience. But for me, because like I said, I have 35% of my portfolio with Apple and 25% of my portfolio with Tesla, I have these big swings, and it's very interesting because sometimes I'm like, should I have sold? Like on the 3rd of January, when my account ran up like $10,000 that one day, I was like, should I sell, take a little profit, sell a couple of shares and buy back in when it goes down? And that's the thing about the stock market. You never really know exactly what it's going to do. We know that it's not going to consistently go down or consistently go up. That's the one thing we do know. But you only get the full picture after the fact. It's very hard to kind of guesstimate what's going to happen. I've tried my best to do it in the past, and it's too much stress. So now I just basically buy and hold. But I wanted to show you guys this video because I want to show you this is a real snapshot of what you can expect in the stock market. Even for the last year, you can see my portfolio here on the screen. You know, this is my chart for the last year. So back January the 3rd, well, today is the 6th. So back January the 6th, my portfolio was $225,000. Right now, my portfolio is $286,000. Okay, so that's huge. That's a huge difference, and I really can't complain. But you can see my chart. My portfolio is all over the place. You know, 235. Then I'm down over here at what is this? 211. Okay, then I'm up. Then I'm down. I'm all over the place. And then of course I was up over here, $303,000 back in January. This January, my portfolio was valued at $203,000, which is freaking incredible. I don't know why I can't get it for you guys. Here we go. $303,000 on January the 3rd, 4th. Okay. I mean, that's great. I was super excited. And then now today, right now, I'm at 286. So the purpose of the video is just to show you that, you know, the stock market is going to kind of be all over the place depending on the stocks in which you're invested. But you just sit still and you hold tight. The stock market can be very volatile, but that's why you need to do your research and invest in solid companies. Okay, that's going to be it for this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. All right, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.